Hey, it's Jeff from TryTractors.com. Thanks for checking out our site. We really appreciate it. If there are any questions that we can answer for you, by all means, reach out to us. Just give us a call, and we're happy to oblige. Maybe you want to do another walk around on a unit that you might see or something like that. We could do videos on those with our phones and send those to you. We have several questions on why or what the tractor hot list is. We are constantly getting new units in, units that we have purchased from all over the country, and it takes time to get the conditioning done on those units, get them all spit polished and shined up so that we can do videos and present those to you. Now, the hot list gives you an opportunity to buy those units at a greater discount because we don't have the marketing costs and some of the other things that go along with that. But so because that we save, you can save even more than you normally would, which is a tremendous savings in itself. So click the link below. You can get on the tractors hot list. You'll get a list of everything that we have that's coming up before it goes on site to the public. Now, this is kind of like the, let's call it a Black Friday option. These are sale prices that once those units are taken and put up on the site, they won't be available for that price anymore. So there is an advantage to being on that list, to take a look at the inventory that we have before it is offered to the general public. So click the button below, put your information in. We're not going to bombard you with 15 emails a day and all that good stuff, but if we do see something or have something that we think that might be of interest to you, we will pass it along. Again, thanks for visiting TryTractors.com. Give us a shout. God bless and have a great day.